What in the world is an artifact, and what does it have to do with your portfolio? Hi there, Sam from the Bulb Care team here, and in this video, we're going to talk all about artifacts. An artifact is anything you use to tell your story. Seriously, anything. Text, files, videos, audio, images, slides, animation, artwork, textiles, songs, the list goes on and on. For a portfolio, artifacts tell your experiences, your learning, and your growth. These artifacts are usually accompanied by your reflection about why the artifacts reflect your skills, what you learned as you created them, or what you would do differently in the future. Start off by identifying your audience. Think about how an intended audience will respond to your artifacts. This could be your peers, administrators, students, parents, your professional learning community, or anyone else. So, what separates the good from the bad? Always ask yourself questions to obtain quality in your artifact selection. By the way, quality doesn't mean perfection or a showcase-worthy final product every single time. As you select each artifact, ask yourself, does it show a learning process? Does it show growth? Is it something that I'm proud of? Still not sure? Let's phone a friend. In their works, Introduction to Electronic Assessment Portfolios by Dr. Helen Barrett and an Introduction to Using Portfolios in the Classroom by Charlotte Danielson and Leslie Abrutine, we learn that artifacts should be carefully selected, represent the standard, demonstrate your competencies of the standard, presented professionally, personally meaningful, and paired with relevant and insightful reflection. Our experts have also defined 6 stages of artifact collection that can help guide your selection process. The first stage is collection. Collect quality artifacts and store them digitally. We got you covered with Bulb. Next up is the selection stage. Select the best artifacts that represent who you are, what you do, and who you're becoming. Then move into the reflection stage. It's easy to reflect if the artifact you've selected has deep personal meaning to you. For educator assessment, you can use the rubrics provided to you by your evaluators if that's available. To hold yourself accountable, create your own rubric. Check out Rubistar, a quick, easy resource to create your own rubric. Next up is the inclusion stage. Find the right medium to house your artifacts. Lucky you, Bulb is the perfect place. Then it's time for further reflection and assessment. Ask the tough questions. Do my artifacts really reflect what I can do? Are these artifacts relevant? The final stage is further editing and selection. Ask deeper questions to challenge yourself in curating and telling your story. How often should I edit my artifacts? Which artifacts should I remove? Which ones should I add? Which artifacts show my strongest growth? Now that you have a good working definition of what an artifact is and how to decide which artifacts to include in your portfolio, what are you waiting for? Get out there and start gathering. The world can't wait to hear your story.